Hi Leos, welcome back. This is your special reading for the next 24 hours. So we will be picking few cards for your general energies, career situation and relationship Leos. So these are the cards. So this will be for what situation you have faced, maybe your past, and this will be for your present, and this card is for the future. So let's start with this card, Leos. Unfinished Symphony. So maybe in your past or whatever you have come across, maybe you have left something without completion. Maybe you have not had closure or some kind of unfinished business. Something is incomplete. So you need to make amends, Leos. So if it is something in your relationship, there are things that are left unsaid. Maybe you wish to say few things and you never got the opportunity, and it is burdening you, burdening your heart, and you feel really difficult to move forward in life if you have that memories or that remembrance of the past or whatever you wish to say. So you keep thinking of that again and again, so you feel bound up, sorry guys, in that past relationship. So today you need to make that call, maybe call that person, tell them whatever you wish to say, or write a letter, or make time to meet that person if you want to change yourself, if you want to make amends, or at least declare your feelings to yourself. That way you will feel more clear about what you need to do today, and you will what to say see that whatever it is, it will come to an end finally. You will feel that um, you are taking the step towards acceptance of your reality, whatever is happening today. You need to understand that, guys. Maybe something needs to be done, some incomplete work you have in your past, or it may be something in your career. Maybe you have left something without completion, some task, maybe some payment of bills or something. So you need to tie up the loose ends and make sure that you are doing things the right way, because when you do things in an orderly fashion in your career, it is going to attract prosperity and abundance in your life. So you should never forget that, Leos. And that is what we see with your past. Maybe for your, you need to make amends if that needs to be done, Leos. So we will see what is the card for your present. To the sea. So you need to go with the flow wherever things are leading you today, Leos. And maybe you have some expectations. You want to be like this, you want to be like that, or you want to see some changes in your circumstances. But when you see that circumstances are not changing, circumstances are not going according to your wishes and plans, you need to allow trust and faith to guide you forward like a river. So, same way in your relationship, can you let go of the need to control things? Maybe you should see where things are going between you both, where your circumstances are, or where this relationship is taking you, whether towards marriage, commitment, or otherwise. So you should try to transcend both of your personalities and allow this relationship to take shape on its own and see where that mutual journey goes. That way, you will have a clear understanding whether this relationship is meant to be or not. So, the same way in your career, there are a lot of opportunities coming to you, lot of things that will reach you, and you need to see that what is the opportunity that you are most attracted to, or you may feel that certain opportunities are aligning to towards your dreams and goals, so you need to go for that. So when that happens, when you feel that things are taking you towards those dreams and goals you have, and when you have that positive intentions, it is going to attract those kind of offers and opportunities in your life, Leos, and everything you need will come to you. So you must try to have a positive mindset. Do not worry about anything in your career. Whatever is yours will always be yours. So you should never forget that. But you must wish and have positive intentions towards your dreams and goals. That is going to help you a lot. So we will see what is the future. The final card here, blessed. So this is a very beautiful and a very positive card. So things are going to take a beautiful change, or it's going to unfold in a very positive way in your future. Something unexpected and wonderful is coming for you. So you are going to feel so blessed in many ways, and you will feel that it is really hard for you to express yourself because you are going to be very happy. So in your relationship, you are going to have a great intimacy with this person, a deeper understanding, and you will see that things are aligning perfectly in your relationship. You will see that you are meant for each other, you are soulmates, and maybe if you are single, your soulmate is definitely coming, Leos, in your future, and you will see that your life is going to go in a very positive way, filled with love, understanding, respect for each other, caring, and it will make you understand that that divine grace or blessings of the universe is there in your life. So you will have that perfect understanding in your future very soon, Leos. So that is the energy with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, Leos.